Hello, Mattias here again with another tips and tricks in SolidWorks. I'm based in Sweden, if you didn't know that. So last night it was very cold. We had below minus 30 degrees Celsius in many places, so I'm glad to be inside today. Today I want to talk about some graphic settings that could be useful for performance. Now, graphics in SolidWorks, they are using OpenGL as the communication way to the graphics card, and it's basically a lot of triangles. And it is important to understand what the triangles will do with the graphics card, and because if you have a round shape, it could be defined by many triangles or a few ones, and there is a setting that is directly influencing this, and it's under Tools, Options, Document Properties, Image Quality. So if you take this bar to the right, to high, you will get a lot of triangles, and if you take it to the left, you have fewer. You can see this on the round shapes, that they are a bit not so round at the edges, kind of sharp edges there. But this will have an influence on the speed of the graphics and also on the file size actually, because in the SolidWorks file there is some graphic information stored that will load faster or first when you open a file, and also the total file size are depending on how many triangles are saved with that file. So there is a setting I'm going to talk about under assembly visualization, because here you can find and see exactly how many triangles your objects are represented in your assembly. So under Evaluate, Assembly Visualization, you find a new column, and then you go and look for Graphics Triangles. And then you can see which one are the bad ones in the assembly. So it could be a part that is represented very detailed. Here we have a part with over 120,000 triangles with just one single part. So you can open up that part and individually change this graphic setting about image quality. Now this one was way to the right, so I take it all the way to the left here to make it as little as possible. Then you have a much faster assembly and also smaller file size to load there. Now this setting was quite hidden up to 2017. In 2018 it was much easier to find it, so it's just under the same area, Evaluate, Assembly Visualization, and here you can see there's a new icon called Performance Analysis, and if you click that, then you get this column Total Graphics Triangles directly up on your screen. So triangles, let's have as few as possible to get as fast speed as possible. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.